Hi everyone, I will show you how to use Instagram emoji sticker. Open your Instagram app, then swipe right and take a picture and tap the sticker icon on the top and you can see this sticker emoji. Now you can ask any question just like, and if you want to change the background color then tap here. If you want to change the emoji you can tap here to change the emojis.
If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.